Hi everybody and welcome to Visit Fylde Coast. This is the first one of our short update videos from Rabbit Towers, and this one is about some restoration work which is going to start soon at St Mary's Church in Fleetwood. Now this, if you can see it in the background, is St Mary's Church in Fleetwood. It's the one on the high street in between kind of the market and Peacocks. So it's the one on the other side of the road that's sort of flat to the pavement. It's not St Peter's Church, which is the one that's over the road from the market, which is set high on a sort of a small grass mound. It's not that one. So St Mary's Church is an old, well-loved church that was built in the late 1800s. It's a Grade 2 listed building. And the presbytery at the side of it is also Grade 2 listed, and it's the presbytery that's going to be restored with £80,000 worth of money from the High Streets Heritage Action Zone. So in total it's a £100,000 project, and it's going to see re-roofing, lead work, chimney repairs and new glazing to create a community space and a home for the priest, who is Father Michael Murphy. So the presbytery was built in 1878, 10 years after the church, and it was built to the design of Innocent and Brown of Sheffield. So that's out kind of my neck of the woods, that one. So that area of Fleetwood is also a conservation area, and it was created to protect the architectural and historical buildings. So if I just turn around and show you, this building here is the presbytery. So if you can imagine, this is Peacocks on this side, and this is the market down here. And St Peter's Church that I mentioned is just off shot on the left. It's a lovely little church. It's nice that it's going to be restored, and well, it's the presbytery that's going to be restored and repaired. Somebody did ask whether the church was going to be restored, but not at this stage. Not with 100 grand. I think it'd take a lot more than that. So that's your first Visit Fylde Coast short update. So I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to make sure that you've subscribed. If you did enjoy it, give it a like, and make sure you've signed up for your weekly Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.